Hello and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and this time we're going to be setting up a Jellyfin server. This is good for videos, music, all different things that you like to stream kind of throughout your house. So let's get into the initial install of that. We'll log into our Docker system that we had set up before. We are going to change directories into the container folder, and then we're going to do a make directory Jellyfin. Change into Jellyfin. And once we're in Jellyfin, we are going to do a nano compose YAML. And then in there, we will paste from the 12 days Gidia into this. Make sure our compose.yaml looks good. Next, we'll do a Docker compose up, and we'll do a Docker compose logs as soon as it is still starting up. And looks like everything looks good there. IP address at 8096. And Jellyfin looks like it's loading up. The wizard will help you guide through this server name. Preferred, that's fine. And you can give this whatever surname you want. So we'll call it btech Jellyfin. And we'll hit next. Here you're going to put in your username and password. As you can see, we have nothing in here, which makes sense since we just set it up. And we'll say create, and we'll say add media library. Folders, we will go to media, click OK. So for the media library, we've got music, display names, music. Folders is going to be in media. Enable the library, English in the United States. Everything else I left as standard. Clicked OK. So now all you need to do is put your music into that media folder, and then you'll be all set to go, and you can listen to your music wherever you'd like, on a computer, another thing, on your home network, even on your TV, if you can actually put in the IP address or a web address, and you'll be all set to go. Thank you for watching Setting Up Jellyfin. If you would, please like and subscribe. Again, this is the 9th day of the 12 days of Docker. I hope you've enjoyed these so far. If you would, please leave a comment and have a great rest of the night.